Hey, hello, vanakkam, namaste, namaskaram. Welcome back to my channel, The Vedic Vlogger. Hope you all guys are doing well. Just bear if my eyes or face is looking swollen cause I overslept today. While you are watching this video, it would be Sunday. While shooting, it was Saturday, and like yesterday and Friday, I finished with my first college internal exams. There are two reasons to make this video. First is that to clear the myth about med students, that med students only study and they don't do any exciting thing in their life. And the second reason is that I make videos for you guys to learn from my experience and don't repeat the same mistakes again which I did. I had a good experience of my first internal exams. All the papers went really good. The one thing I am regretting now is that I'm not studying from the day one of my college. Like when you come to med schools, you have to cover a vast syllabus in a short time span, and that becomes a challenge. Although I had a good advantage of online exams, that all my reference books were with me, but I have realized one thing, that 3 hours are not enough if you are not good prepared for the exam. And in 3 hours it's a bit difficult to complete or solve all the compulsory questions. And you cannot be like आगे वाले के भरोसे आया हो, पीछे वाले के भरोसे आया हो. There is nothing such thing. Like everyone will be busy in their own paper and they will not help you in their examination hall. If you have to pass, you have to study hard. Even though sometimes when you complete your full paper, you solve all the questions, still you are worried about your passing marks. That's the main challenge I think med students go through. The thing is that in reference books we have been given the paragraph and the concept has been explained in a paragraph, and when we write it down in the examination we have to write it in the points. Like if you are not short noting it, it would be very difficult for you to copy the same. So now let's talk about the thumbnail and let's see where I had gone in the morning. A very good morning everyone. It's 6:15 in the morning, and now as we have decided before our internals that we have to take a break from the study routine and all this pressure, we are going now to explore one of the hidden gems of my city, and which was explored by one of my friend, and he gave me full information about the place, but still we have to find the exact place where it is. And now 3 of us are going. I'll be going to pick one of my friend, and another friend of us from Ambarnath will join us for this. So stay tuned and watch this full video for exploring things.
So guys, this is the Barvi Dam. In Barvi Dam, we have came all over from there. We have parked our vehicles here, and now we are searching the road for the hidden gem of Badlapur. So yeah, let's see if we find or not. So now we are searching. Slightly getting the voice of the river flow, hearing the voice of river flow. Hope so we reach very fast. Something. OMG, we just have found it. That's the hidden place here. This is an hidden waterfall here, which is situated in these huge jungles, huge Barvi jungles. Just have a look and how beautiful this place is. Like, see, it's very hidden. It's very hidden.